How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Shaner's Mechanic Life. We got more new tools. You know what, everybody, I think I might have a problem. This all started out as a trip to the tool store. I needed a higher capacity battery for my M18 stuff, for my big 1/2-inch gun and angle grinder and stuff like that, something that would have some staying power. And this is what I picked up. It's a leaf blower kit. Part number 2724-21HD. What it comes with is the high output XC 8 amp hour battery, the M18 and M12 rapid charger, which charges your batteries up to 40% quicker, and the leaf blower. And I priced it out, and you know, by the time you buy the battery, you buy the charger, you know, for an extra 30 bucks, you get a leaf blower. You can, you know, use it around the shop or take it home and blow leaves with it. Anyway, let's open it up and see what we got. I was kind of looking at the specs on the box. The airspeed on this leaf blower is 120 miles an hour, and the air volume is 450 cubic feet per minute. So here's your M18 XC 8.0 amp hour high output battery. Here's the rapid charger. Looks the same as the other chargers, but like I said earlier, it charges things 40% quicker. You know, nobody wants to wait around for the battery to charge up. Some more tools. Got your instructions. There's that part. Anyway, let's make some room, get rid of this box. And here's the leaf blower body. What I like too is, you know, it's not a whole lot of assembly. Pretty straightforward, just that pushes in. Now it seems like the battery's got more weight than the leaf blower. Now it looks pretty straightforward to use. You got your speed there, you know, low and high. Imagine, you know, you're always going to have it on high. Then you got your trigger, and you also got a lock, so you can lock it on, so you can just start it up and go. It's not terribly loud considering some of the other leaf blowers. They've got that really high pitch whine. Well, let's take this outside and try it out in some leaves. Okay, so I got the 8 amp hour battery on, set to high. Let's try it out. Now, as you know, you're watching Shaner's Mechanic Life, not Shaner's Lawn and Garden Life. Now, the real main use of this leaf blower is going to be not for blowing leaves, but for cleaning up those hard to sweep areas of the shop. Now, when I need to, I will take it home and do some yard work with it, but this thing's going to be staying at the shop. For the price of the battery and the quick charger, it's like I almost got the leaf blower for free. Now at the end of every video, I want to thank one of my new subscribers. This video I'd like to thank Vincent Hamilton. Thanks a lot for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Hit that like button and subscribe. I got more videos coming your way. Have a good night, everybody, and thanks for watching.